Hi guys, welcome back to week 7 of your online lessons. So this week the beginner group are going to have a go at 5 Years Time by Noah and the Whale. The intermediate group are going to have a go at 9 to 5 by Dolly Parton. And the advanced group are going to have a go at A Punk by Vampire Weekend. Let's get started. Hi guys, so this is the video tutorial for A Punk by Vampire Weekend. The song really is based around one very cool riff. The tempo of it's quite tricky, so that's why I've put it in the advanced lesson for today. It's a fun one to do. It's a bit more chirpy than what we did last week, so I thought that's a good thing. A bit of happy music. So you're going to start off with your first finger on the 9th fret first string, and your second finger on the 10th fret second string. I'm picking all of this with alternate picking, although if you want to, you can pick it all downwards, but your arm might feel like it wants to fall off after you've done that. So we're going to play the second string and first strings twice, like that. And then go to your little finger on the 12th fret first string. So these two fingers are still on, okay? And we're playing that twice. So we end up with... Okay. Then you're moving back 2 frets. So now your first finger will be on the 7th fret first string, and your second finger will be on the 8th fret second string. We're starting with just those two, strumming them twice again. Keep them where they are and put your little finger on the 10th fret first string. Play that twice, those two strings. So at the moment we've got okay, then we're moving back to your first finger on the 2nd fret first string and your second finger on the 3rd fret second string. We're playing the same two strings and you're strumming it 8 times with alternate picking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you put together what we've done so far, you'd end up with... Right, we play that whole sequence 3 times round like this, slowly. Then you're going to go to the 5th fret first string. So put your first finger on that 5th fret and your third finger on the 7th fret second string. Okay, we're playing just those two. Again, I'm using alternate picking. You can pick down if you want to. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then down to your first finger on the 2nd fret first string and your second finger on the 3rd fret second string 8 times with those two strings. So to repeat the last two parts, we're going then you're going back to your 5th fret first string with your first finger and third finger on the 7th fret second string. But this time we're going to just play those two strings 4 times. Then flatten your first finger over the 5th fret first and second strings. Play those two strings again 4 times. So you've just gone. And then back down to your first finger on the 2nd fret first string and your second finger on the 3rd fret second string, and we're playing those two strings 8 times. So the last part would sound like this. Okay, I'm going to play that whole sequence quite slowly together for you. So up to speed, it would go. Okay, so that's part one of the song. We do have a break where you just play one note, or two notes really, an octave. So this is what happens next. Okay, so you're putting your first finger on the 5th fret, 5th string, and your third finger on the 7th fret, 3rd string. You need to get the bit of skin underneath your first finger to rest on your 4th string, so you can't really hear it. The idea here is we're going to play from the 5th string down to the 3rd, like that. No other strings though. And we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're back to. Okay, I know I've probably made that look easy. I know it's not. So you're going to need to pause this video in places to practice those parts. It's actually quite tricky doing just those octaves, because you're constantly having to think about avoiding strings. So I'm partly muting out strings with my left hand, like I was saying, using the bit of skin under my first finger. And I'm also strumming slightly away from the guitar once I've hit that 3rd string. So there's a few new techniques there for you. So practice those parts, and when you feel comfortable, come and join me in the play along. The play along is slightly slower than the original track, so when you're feeling really confident, have a go at playing over the real track. Okay, see you soon.